Boy, M.O.G.
What it do?
What's happening?
What's happening?
Hold on real quick. I can't hear you guys. Hold on
What's
real
going on, my
quick.
brothers?
What it do?
Hey, man. Y'all
Hold up.
looking fresh, man. I got to get another one, bro. Y'all got some nice pictures looking, man. Hey, you guys keep it
All
up.
right, I can hear you guys
All
now.
right, no doubt.
What's
What's
happening?
happening?
Man, what's going on, my brothers?
Oh,
Hey,
man.
you got the nice beard going, bro. Looking
Man, you
fresh,
see
man.
that?
Both y'all.
Hey, it's that season. Everybody,
Hey, come on.
everybody better fall in
Man.
line.
I was just trying to be like Sweesy
Hey,
over there,
Yo, we
man.
about
Come
the
on,
action
somebody.
around here, bro.
I'm trying to get my crop. Gotta catch up.
Hey, come on.
Man, man, I wish I didn't need these headphones on, man. Come on,
Nah,
somebody.
you
What's
good,
going
bro.
on right here?
Come on, man. I'm excited.
Jono should be getting on right now. We'll be waiting for vibes.
Yes,
I do
sir.
have a couple questions that I want to ask you guys, man.
Okay.
Yes,
Just
sir.
to kind of go over, what transpired about this music video, what transpired about Beer Gang. Come on, somebody.
Yeah.
So how everything came about. You know what I mean? It was kind of amazing how everything started. So we'll wait till these guys get on.
Moment.
And then we'll get it cracking.
All right, bet.
Sir. Come on. I'm working on that the other stuff too. So I know we got a few
My
songs. What
boy
up, Jono?
shows and few.
What's going on,
What's
man?
Here we
happening?
go. My
What's happening? What's happening?
brother.
Good to see
Hey,
y'all.
let me see if
What
it.
was that?
Hey, can you guys hear me pretty good?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
All right,
Yes, sir.
we're good.
Come
I'm
on.
gonna use a mic, but I think I'm good. We're waiting for vibes. Vibes should be getting on real soon. Hurry up, vibes. We
Let's go,
gotta get
vibes.
this cracking. Real quick. So if you guys didn't know, everybody that's tuning in right now, man, we have an amazing music video that's about to drop
Come on.
at 5 p.m. today, man. We did that strategically because we want to make sure you have a good weekend and that you can rock with the music video. But it's been such an amazing time just to work with these brothers. We have M.O.G, we have Sweesy, we have the Chosen Few, and it's filmed by my brother Vibes and produced by my brother Genius, man. So he produced everything, man. It was such a blessing just to have all of us come together and bless this track. And then all of a sudden, out of nowhere, we decided to form as the Untouchables.
Come on, man.
M.O.G, when you hear that word, big dog, what does it mean to you, my dog?
So when it first was presented to me, I was like, you know what, like I don't know how I feel about that, right? But then instantly, like the Lord gave me a vision, right, of basically like this big old shield, bro, that He holds up,
Fire.
and the fiery darts of the enemy coming at me, and nothing is hitting me because this big old shield, bro. And so that's kind of what it means to me, is that I'm always covered by Jesus and
Come
by
on.
His grace and by His love. So I ain't got nothing to worry about.
Come on, man.
Ooh, that's fire. That's fire. Sweezy, what is your take on it, doggy?
Man, you know, I think of the old school stories in the word, people like King David, who Goliath thought he was about to take over, and
Come on.
David was untouchable. And so I feel like it's all for God first. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Far from perfect, but we like untouchable for God. We walk humble but ferocious. You know what I'm saying? And
Yeah.
so I love the sound, especially everything going on in the secular world. You know, it's a war. It's all spiritual. But to me,
Yeah.
if you got God, you are untouchable. You know what I'm saying?
Fire.
So
Fire.
come
Love
on,
it.
man.
Love it, big dog.
Yeah.
Jono, what's your take, big dog?
Man, you know what? Basically the same thing that
Yeah.
M.O.G and Sweetly said, bro. You
Come on,
know,
man.
when I first heard the word untouchables, bro, I was like, man, that's what I thought of right away. And you know, in the name in Jesus' name, we're
Yeah,
untouchable. You know what I'm saying?
yeah.
Like the
Come on, man.
enemy can't touch us.
Yes, sir.
Fire. That's fire.
Come on.
Let me put this mic in, dog. I got my wife. She was like, it doesn't sound good. All right. So, um, we're gonna talk about the behind the scenes. How did the music video come about? M.O.G, I know we
Yeah.
filmed it. If you guys didn't know, man, we filmed this
Come
the
on, man.
music video at my brother's give back. It was an amazing time, a Christmas give back, M.O.G.
Come on.
But how did that come about, Big Dog? How did you, where did you decide, like, hey, let's do it at this event?
So during the summer of last year, we had did the backpack giveaway, right?
Right,
Yeah.
And that's where we filmed Change at, right?
right,
And that was, that debut video of us guys, that was
Come
crazy,
on,
right?
man.
Um, but
Yeah.
I also felt like we kind of missed on getting people involved, more people involved.
facts. That's good.
Um, and as far as the young crowd, right? Who as a youngster, being in a rap video, whether it's a Christian or secular, that's being in a rap video, you
Right,
know. And on top of it, we're dope. So I figured, I was praying, and the way it seemed like the Lord was gonna make this event, this outreach, big, right?
facts.
And
Come on.
so, what better way than to do a video, but with the people of my community, man.
Come on, man.
Right, man. If you guys don't know the backstory, man, there was some craziness going on
Yeah,
around there.
spiritual
So
warfare for sure.
man, it was warfare for sure. So check this out. So we're on stage, me and Jono.
Right.
Sweezy just got done doing his set. We're about to go up. Me and Jono are about to go up, and the stage collapses.
Right.
Boom, left, front side and back
Yeah.
side. And comes to find out the wheel chocks weren't locked in, right? But Jono and I, we have this song goes, I ain't stopping, I ain't moving, go ahead
Yeah.
and throw
Come
them
on.
darts,
Perfect.
right? And
Yeah.
so I kept hearing that, and I kept hearing God saying, like, hey, this is not gonna stop, because I kind of felt like,
Yeah,
all right, cool, like it's, we safety issue and all that stuff, right?
Right.
But I was
Right.
just like, man, God, like, we're ready, we need to go up there, right?
Come on.
And it's crazy how everything started, and just to have the crowd engage with all of
Right.
us. Sweezy, what did you think about that, big dog?
I thought it was crazy because it was our debut, and I thought
Right,
we were all gonna be on the stage. That could have been us just collapsing on there. And
facts,
so you guys song that you guys did, right? Talking about we keep this party going.
yeah,
I was tripping over everything. You can't make it up. And
right,
then as we start, that's all our second time performing together, I believe, all of us, all four.
facts,
yeah,
yeah,
I felt the favor of God on us, man. I felt the crowd. I felt when I see the video, I see people getting down like freedom.
facts,
They're getting down for God, man. And so that's what I was loving. The atmosphere, even some of my people, my little brother, his group, that these guys, they're in high school right now. When
right.
they think events cool like that, something's good, something's going on.
Oh, that's
So
good. That's good.
come on,
Big Jono, what you think about that, big dog?
Man, that whole day was just crazy. From the stage
come
collapsing,
on,
and the song that we performed. Let everybody know, we let the enemy know we ain't stopping. We ain't stopping. There ain't nothing you can do to stop
come on.
what's about to happen.
100%.
And just that whole night was just amazing, bro. Getting the whole crowd involved, and
Bro,
it was like it's been said before. It was like a movie, man. Like it was
come on,
Yeah.
just.
Yeah. Yeah, no, it was
come
definitely
on,
it
man.
was definitely a movement. It was definitely a movie. But this is a movement for sure that is just getting started. Shout out to M.O.G, shout out to Sweezy, Chosen Few, my boy
Right.
Jono, man. Such a beautiful thing that we're putting together. So if you guys don't know, man, all about that action comes from James 2:17.
Come on,
You know what I mean? I stand on that. Faith without works is dead.
come on.
If you're believing for something and you're just sitting around and expecting it to fall on your lap, probably won't happen. You know
and
what I
do
mean?
it, and do it. Yep.
You know what I mean? You kind of got to step out in faith. And I remember sitting right here, as a matter of fact, in this room, and I heard the beat. I heard the hook start
Come
coming
on.
together, man, and recorded it like within like 5-10 minutes, and I shot it to you guys. And I just remember M.O.G, man. M.O.G was just like, bro, that's fire. That's
Yeah,
fire right there. And you know how like some songs you're like, man, this is gonna be a banger. You know what I
yeah.
mean? That's what it felt like to me. You know what I mean? M.O.G, what's your take on that,
Come
big
on.
dog?
All right, so I second on that, right? Um, I I'm not knocking nobody's music, right? No, knocking nobody's music,
Come on.
Right,
but if if and I say this out of the most love, right? Because it is kind of, it's not competition, but it is, you know, in hip hop.
Right.
Whether you know, and CHH it isn't, but hip hop, you know, where I
It's
come
a
from,
competitive
man,
sport, like
it's
they say.
competition.
Right.
This song, it's like, you know what, like this is just a little bit of what we have as Untouchables.
Facts.
Like CHH, let's step up our game.
Ooh.
Come on,
Hey, mic drop right there.
come on.
Ooh, mic. What do you got to say about that, Sweezy?
Man, you know, I love what this brings down to the, you know, the diversity of our group. When you at first, like I said, we all met at that first event, and I was tripping how fast God brought us all together. To
Yeah,
me now,
facts.
I maybe known you guys for months, but now I feel like I've known y'all my whole life.
Come
Yeah,
on, somebody.
So I'm like, you know what? God is good. Brothers through adversity. We all kind of know about each other, and then when you guys start hitting these songs up, what's crazy is some of these lyrics I had already. It was like God had already written perfect for this piece, and I'm like, how do
Right.
you do that? It's all from heaven, man. So
Yeah.
I just, I'm fired up, man.
Yeah,
man.
and you know, you kind of just trip out. You know what I mean? You're just like, you know, God. If you listen to all our music, right,
Yep.
separately,
Come
they're
on.
all different.
All
Yeah,
All
I
different
mean,
styles.
different.
Yep.
Chosen Few is
Come on.
different from M.O.G. M.O.G. is
Right.
different from Sweezy, and vice
Yep.
versa, right? But when we
100%.
come together as a
It's
collab, it's like
so unique. Come
it's
on, man.
unique. Yeah, John, what do you got to say about that, big dog?
Man, bro, I tell you, man, from the minute that we did that we dropped change, it was
Yeah,
Come
like
on, man.
I felt that connection between all
Come on,
four of
man.
us. You know what I'm saying? I was like, yo, we gotta do more.
Oh
We
God,
gotta make more. More happen, you know what I'm saying?
yeah,
And that's when I brought it up to you. Angel, I
yeah.
was like,
Facts.
Yeah.
Yep.
Come on, man.
let's do something. You, Chosen Few, M.O.G. and Sweezy. You know,
Come
we
on,
got
man.
and right off the bat, Angel was like, yo, Untouchables. I was like, yeah,
Come on, man.
that's it right there. That's it. You
Yeah,
know?
Yep.
yeah.
Because I mean, like all four of us, man, like we all bring something different to the
Come on.
table,
Unique.
got a
Yep.
different style, you know,
Absolutely.
and brought together is just
Come on, man.
completely
It's
different, you
It's
know?
amazing. Yeah, facts. You know, getting real quick, just wanted to let you guys know if you guys were tuned in a little bit earlier, we did announce Random Lab TV in partnership with In Christ, M.O.G. Christ. What is your
all Christ
ministry?
kingdom.
Oh, my
No,
bad, dog. On
no,
the
you good.
live, bro? My
Hey,
bad.
no, you good. Hey, hey,
Oh,
hey, hey. Listen, we're
hey,
human.
my
Hey,
boy,
listen,
I
we're
just went
human.
blank right now, dog. So, um, Random Lab TV, linked up with All Christ Kingdom Ministries. So we're dropping 12 for 12
come on.
music videos for the next 12 months. I wish we could add artists, but as of 30 minutes ago, M.O.G, the VP of Random Lab TV, has
Come on,
locked
dog.
in all the artists
Yes,
for
sir.
for this year. It's about to be wild. I'll tell you one thing: this is not the only music video that we're dropping under Random Lab TV as Untouchables. But just to hear the lineup that M.O.G was putting together, man,
Come on.
it's such an amazing lineup, and just to
Fire.
give the community, you know, something to look forward to. M.O.G, when you heard the 12 for 12, big dog, what was your first initial thought, doggy?
I thought about, you know what I thought about
Yeah.
truthfully was the cipher at SoCal Revival Fest,
Ooh.
right?
Come on.
SoCal Revival Fest. If it wasn't for that cipher
Yeah.
and something like SoCal Revival Fest for giving new artists a platform to go up for a verse, right?
Right.
Um, I thought about that instantly. Like, you know what? We are here to support each other, and this is a good opportunity for
Yeah.
people to get out there, you know, for people to get out of self and come together and bless the community, not only with the word, but some fire music.
Come on, man.
Fire.
Yes, sir.
You know, God is really moving, man. I tell you one thing. So if you guys don't know, also, man, we are dropping a devotional that's going to be dropping the next week or so. It's called One Body United Devotional. It's a mixture of many different artists, entrepreneurs, pastors, rappers, all of the above. So be on the lookout for that, man. Random Lab TV is about to grow. We're about to move. Just stick by us while we get this movement rolling, man, because I'm
Come on,
telling
man.
you, it's just the beginning of what's about to happen. It's just the beginning of Untouchables. It's just the beginning of what all of these individual artists are about to do in the Christian hip hop industry. You know what I mean? But I appreciate you guys. Any last words, gentlemen, you guys want to say? We'll start with M.O.G.
Yes, I everybody that's tuned in, I hope you guys enjoy the video. I hope it blesses your heart, and I hope that you continue, and I pray that you guys continue to walk with us in this life, because I love doing life with you guys.
Come on, man.
Facts.
Come on.
Facts. Love that, big dog. Go ahead, Sweezy. You up, big
Come
dog?
on. Man, I was going to say I'm grateful for y'all brothers, man. Grateful God brought y'all in my life, man. And I'm excited to see what God does this year, man. Like I said, we kind of just started.
Yeah.
And so I feel like, you know, there's that verse, you know, we always, in the Lord's Prayer says, here on earth as it is in heaven.
Yeah.
I feel like when we do these events and people get fed and they hear us, bro, that's heaven on earth for what it is. You know what I'm saying?
Ooh,
What
fire.
it is. So, yeah, let's get it, man. Love y'all, brothers.
Fire. Love you too, my dog. Big Jono, go ahead, my dog.
Man, you know what? Same thing Sweezy said, man. Like,
Come
you
on.
know, I'm grateful that man, all you guys, Angel, you've been my brother for years, man. You know what I'm saying?
Nice.
But yeah, man. You know, I'm glad God brought us all together,
Come on.
and you know, to drop this music. Real quick,
All right, brother.
Risen asked a question. He said, "Are we dropping an album?"
Oh, come on.
Actually, dropping it.
Come
What's
on.
good, Risen? Come on, man.
Come on, somebody.
Yeah, man. Yeah. You know, this isn't just a couple songs we're bringing to you guys. We're bringing you guys an EP, and
Come on.
it's about to be crazy. It's
Yeah.
about to be
Facts.
Sir.
Hey, bro.
Shout out to Risen.
Untouchables, Unbreakable Records. Come on, somebody. That's about to be fire. That's all I can say. I ain't saying no more, but that's it. But listen, 5 p.m. Random Lab TV on YouTube. Make sure you go like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys go like and share my brother's channels as well. M.O.G, Sweesy, my boy Jono. You can find us on Chosen Few. The song is actually on all major platforms, but the actual music video is now on YouTube at 5 p.m. We love you guys. We bless you guys. We just want to say thank you for rocking with us. This is the Untouchables, man. We love you. We out, baby.
Love y'all, man. Peace.